Hi there. So I've been quiet, and that raised some concerns. So some people asked me to communicate more. So that's why I decided to make a video. So yeah, I've been super busy, which you can tell by my new hairstyle. Um, so I'm almost finished with the new app launch, and I'm setting up a new team. We are now a team of 5 people working together on this app. So I'll be able to return to Gutenberg this month. So this app is very crucial because it's crucial to my career as a software developer, and I really want to keep doing this. And Gutenberg is a part of it. So in a way, you can say that this app is for Gutenbergs. So this is where we are with Gutenbergs. There have been some known issues and limitations that have no easy fixes. So which have been very frustrating to many people, especially anything related to Bricks Ajax functionality, such as filtering and pagination. So I have come up with more solid solution for this issue, and I'm about to get on it. So yeah, these fixes is a prerequisite before any new features are introduced. But yeah, so once that's sorted, we'll undertake a major overhaul of a user editing interface. This will include features such as new types of input fields and better type of input fields, and also ability to, let's say, customize user form area. Like for example, you can reorder the groups and input fields that have been requested by many people. Yeah, so that's where we are, and just want to let you know. Also, yeah, I just want to say Gutenberg is probably one of the hardest piece of software I wrote because of nature of integration between different apps. So I would say the app I'm creating, which I will be revealing very soon, is actually easier than Gutenberg's. Gutenberg is difficult because I had to deal with the three body problem. I don't know if you guys have watched the three body problem series on Netflix. It's basically telling when there are 3 stars, it's really hard to predict how the 3 stars will work. And Gutenberg was in that kind of position because I had to deal with my 3 stars. So there is a Bricks Builder, and there's Gutenberg Editor, and there's the add-ons, and they don't work together very well. There's some issues between add-ons and Bricks Builder. There's some issues between Bricks Builder and Gutenberg Editor, and there's some issues with each other. So if there's some issues happen, I have to find out whether it's Bricks Builder problem or Gutenberg problem or add-on problem first, and I have to find out why there's not working together. So it was very, very difficult and challenging to work with these different 3 stars. So I call it three body problem. Yeah, it taught me a lot of lessons and actually made me a better developer. And that's why I put a lot of my experience and ideas into this new app I'll be revealing very soon. But in terms of Gutenberg's editor, the Gutenberg's plugin, it's a backbone of many of things I do, and a lot of people are using it in production and building websites, and they're quite a lot. So I haven't counted how many websites are built on Gutenberg's. So my goal is to make it sustainable, right? The last thing you want is you have to the plugin breaks and there's no other way around. There's no way back. We experienced it with the Quickly example. I think many people got traumatized by what happened to Quickly, and it's a very rare thing. It never happened that many times in this industry. I think it it has done a lot of damage. And so in the software field, I think we use a lot of libraries and codes that's written by some random guy living on a ranch in Idaho. I don't know. And then we don't know him, but he is writing a very important piece of a library that sustains the entire software industry or the entire internet, right? So everything's built on trust. And just like I made a video around like the last summer, yeah, I've been thinking really hard about how to make things more sustainable and how to help the community. So I made a tough decision to work on something that will allow me to do something long term. So I want to work on Gutenberg's long term. In order to do that, I have to have a stronger foothold, a stronger line of products. Because as you can see, I think the problem with Gutenberg is that it is very useful and it's very interesting plugin. It is still largely depends on the Bricks Builder and the Gutenberg ecosystem. So in order to balance that, in order to make it sustainable, I had to build a new app and I had to build a new team, and so that Gutenberg can be safe, secured in that family. So think of this app as a new brother, as a new as an uncle who just came back from a war, and now he has a family, or not uncle, but it could be auntie. So it's this auntie, who just visit you, and you're an orphan, you're a tiny little kid named Gutenberg, and you're just sitting there between the Bricks Builder and the Gutenberg editor, as a tiny kid. But this uncle and auntie will take care of this little Gutenberg projects. So Gutenberg will have a bigger family, yeah, and stronger team, bigger family, secure and stronger. Yeah. So that's what I've been working on. That's why my hair has been super long, and yeah, that's where I am. I will be more communicative on both sides. I'll be always on talking about the new app, and I'll throw weekly updates on Gutenberg. So Gutenberg, there have been some updates here and there, tiny updates. It's not enough, I understand. I've been fixing some issues that can be fixed right away, except some of the serious issues that's been a huge blocker for many people. Yeah, that's all I want to say. So thank you so much for your help, and I've got a lot of encouragements and word of support from many people. I really appreciate them, and I wish I could send out my Christmas cards, but then there was a strike at Canada Post, and then the UPS was kind of overwhelmed by the people who want to send out the Christmas cards and gifts, so I couldn't send out anything. So, but I don't know. But I really appreciate your help and all your support. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.